This particular video shows you how to work the SSK, which stands for slip, slip, knit, and it's a left-leaning single decrease. Whereas the knit two together is a single right-leaning decrease, its matched pair or symmetrical partner is the left-leaning single decrease, and that's called the slip, slip, knit, or the SSK. There are several ways of doing this. There's only one correct way, so we might as well teach you that one. I'm going to slip the first stitch on my needle, on my left needle, knitwise, which means going in from left to right and front to back, slip it over to the right-hand needle. The second stage is a duplicate of that first stage, so we're going to slip what is now the first stitch on the left-hand needle, again knitwise, going in from left to right and front to back, and sliding it over. Now we need to transfer those two stitches back to there, but why have we transferred them in the first place? The reason why we've done that is we've twisted those stitches because we want them to lay nice and flat, and then we're going to transfer them back purlwise. You can do it both together like that, or if you're not feeling confident enough to do that yet, you can slip them one at a time purlwise, which means going in from back to front and from left to right. Back they are over there. This has now remounted the stitches, so they might not look very different in fairness, but trust me, they are. The next stage is to take the tip of the right-hand needle, and we're going to go into both of those stitches together as if to knit them through the back loops. Rather than knitting through the front loop, which would be through there, or together, which would be through there, we're going to go in from right to left and front to back. That knits them together through these back loops here on the back of the needle there. Wrap around anti-clockwise as always. Bring that new loop of yarn through both of those back stitches and then slide them off together. And here you can see there's one stitch on the right leaning over towards the left and the other one is tucking in behind it. So it's that front one that gives it the lean going in a leftwards direction. I'm going to show you that one more time. Step one then is to slip one stitch from the left needle to the right needle knitwise, which means going in from left to right and front to back. The second stage is the same as the first. We're going to slip another stitch from the left needle to the right, also knitwise. That gives them both a little twist. Then we're going to transfer them back purlwise, both together or individually. It's knitter's choice at that stage. And then we're going to put our right-hand needle into both of those stitches together, going in from the front to the back, from the right to the left, which gives us the knitting through the back loops thing there. Wrap that yarn anti-clockwise around the right-hand needle, draw the new loop through the two old loops and slide them off the needle. There is another way you can do this, which kind of just tidies things up for you a little bit, makes things a little bit easier. I'll show you. The first two stages are exactly the same. Slip one knitwise and slip one knitwise. Then instead of transferring them back and then having to put the needle back in, take the tip of the left needle going in as if to purl two together through the front loop. So we're taking that one in from back to front and from left to right. Then you can wrap the yarn, draw through and slip off. I'll show you that one more time. Slip one stitch knitwise, slip the other stitch knitwise, then the tip of the left needle comes in from back to front and from left to right into both of those loops. Wrap the yarn anti-clockwise, draw the new loop through and slip off. And that's another way to create your perfect SSK. And there you have it. You want your decreases leaning left? That's how you do it.